This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. Hey everyone, today we're diving into a paper about JumpStarter, a system that uses AI to help people actually start working on their personal goals. Sounds kind of magical, right? Like, what's the big deal about starting?
Well, it turned out starting is often the hardest part. Lots of people have great ideas, but getting past the initial hurdle of planning and actually taking action is tough. This system aims to make that easier.
So, how does this JumpStarter thing work? Is it just another to-do list app?
Not exactly. It uses AI, specifically GPT-4, to help break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps. But the clever part is how it handles context. It asks you questions to understand your specific situation, then uses that information to create personalized plans and even draft solutions.
Personalized plans? Like, what does that even mean? Give me an example.
Let's say your goal is apply for a PhD program. JumpStarter might ask you about your research interests, preferred location, and whether you have recommendation letters. Then it creates a plan with steps like research universities, request recommendation letters, and so on. It even drafts the email to your recommenders.
Whoa, that's pretty cool. But doesn't ChatGPT already do some of that?
ChatGPT can help, but it lacks the structured approach and context management of JumpStarter. JumpStarter keeps track of everything you've told it, selecting the relevant information for each step. ChatGPT's context window is limited, and it's easy to lose track of things.
So JumpStarter is like a super organized, context-aware assistant?
Exactly. It helps you avoid getting bogged down in details, letting you focus on taking action. The study showed it significantly reduced users' mental load and increased their efficiency.
That's a pretty big claim. How did they test that?
They did a user study comparing JumpStarter to ChatGPT. Participants used both systems to work on their own personal goals. JumpStarter users reported significantly lower mental load, higher satisfaction with the plans and solutions, and more confidence in taking the next steps.
So it's not just about making a list, it's about actually doing things.
Precisely. It bridges the gap between intention and action. It helps with the planning and action initiation phases, which are often the most challenging.
Did they test different ways of using the AI to see what worked best?
Yes, they experimented with different prompting techniques for the AI, finding that a combination of chain of thought prompting and incorporating the task's place in the overall plan significantly improved the accuracy of the system's suggestions.
And what about the quality of the plans and solutions themselves?
They also did a separate evaluation comparing JumpStarter's performance with and without different aspects of its context curation features. The results showed that including context elicitation, asking clarifying questions, and context selection, choosing the most relevant information, led to significantly higher quality plans and solutions.
So the AI isn't just blindly generating stuff, it's actually learning and adapting to the user's needs.
Exactly. The context curation is key. It's not just about saving context, it's about intelligently selecting and using it to create personalized and actionable plans.
This sounds really useful for anyone struggling to get started on a project. Are there any limitations?
Sure, the system currently only handles text-based context. Also, it focuses on cognitive tasks. It doesn't directly address motivational or emotional challenges that can hinder progress.
So it's not a magic bullet, but a powerful tool nonetheless. What are the next steps for JumpStarter?
The researchers are looking at ways to integrate JumpStarter with other tools and handle more types of context, including visual information. They also want to explore how to better blend structured planning with more conversational interactions.
Fascinating. Thanks for breaking down this research for us. It sounds like JumpStarter could be a game changer for productivity. Thanks for joining us.